Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple remedy that you can use to tighten, firm, and remove dark spots from your skin. So to make this beauty remedy, I'll be making use of fresh tomatoes. You can choose to cut the tomato into smaller pieces, then blend to get the juice. But I'm going to use grater to grate the tomato and then sieve to get the juice. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants, and tomato juice is perfect for young and healthy looking skin. So adding tomato juice to this remedy will help to reduce large pores and also brighten your skin to reduce dark spots. So when I'm done grating the tomato, I'm going to sieve to get the tomato juice. The tomato juice is ready. So I'm going to make use of 2 tablespoons of tomato juice. Aloe vera gel will help to fight aging, it will help to fight sunburn and also moisturize the skin. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is a special spice that has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It will help to lighten dark spots and also effective in the treatment of skin conditions like acne, rashes, and boil. I'll be making use of corn flour. You can also use rice flour for this. Corn flour is so good for the skin because it contains vitamin A and C, which will help in fading away stubborn dark spots, and also it will help to absorb dirty and oil. So if you have oily skin, so try using corn flour. So I'm going to mix until well combined. This mask is so good for exfoliating. All the ingredients that I added in this face mask will help to lighten the skin and reduce dark spots. It also helps to tighten your skin pores, reduce oiliness, and also good for treating acne, pimple, and also lighten dark spots. This tomato facial mask will help to lighten your skin because tomato contains antioxidants and vitamin C. This on a clean wash skin, massage it properly and allow it to dry. After about 15 or 20 minutes, you can wash out, then moisturize your skin. So for effective results, use this at least 2 times a week. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.